Stay safe, happy learning. My name is Amarnath. I am a certified energy auditor. In this video, we shall discuss phase diagram of water system. On the screen, you can see a temperature enthalpy graph with y-axis temperature, x-axis enthalpy of water or water phase diagram. These are the lines of constant pressure. The horizontal lines are the lines of constant pressure. This is saturated liquid line and this is saturated vapor line. Left to this line is liquid region and right to this saturated vapor line is superheated steam region. The white portion is the portion of saturated steam region. As water is heated from 0 degrees centigrade to its saturation temperature, its condition follows the saturated liquid line until it's received all of its liquid enthalpy HF, that is AB. If further heat continues to be added, it then changes phase to saturated steam and continues to increase the enthalpy while remaining at saturated temperature HFG. This is saturated temperature HFG from B to C at this pressure line. As the steam or water mixture increases in dryness, its condition moves from saturated liquid line to saturated vapor line. I repeat, as the steam water mixture increases in dryness, its condition moves from saturated liquid line to saturated vapor line. Therefore, at a point exactly halfway between these two states, the dryness fraction is 0.5. This point here, dryness fraction will be 0.5. Similarly, on the vapor line, the steam is 100% dry. At this point, the steam is 100% dry. Once it has received all of its enthalpy of evaporation, it reaches the saturated vapor line. If it continues to be heated after this point, the temperature of steam will begin to rise. Superheat is imparted, that is from C to D. If the steam is heated after this point, it enters this region of, from C to D, region of saturated steam or superheated steam. The saturated liquid and saturated vapor lines enclose a region in which a steam water mixture exists, wet steam. The saturated liquid and saturated vapor line enclose a region, this is the region, in which a steam water mixture exists, that is wet steam. In the region to the left of saturated liquid line, only water exists. At the left of this line, enthalpy up to this limit, only water exists, and to the right of this line, only superheated or dry steam exists. The point at which saturated liquid and saturated vapor line meets. This is saturated liquid and this is saturated vapor line. The point at which they meet is known as critical point. As the pressure increases towards critical point, the enthalpy of evaporation decreases until it becomes zero at the critical point. This suggests that water changes directly into saturated steam at the critical point. Above the critical point, only gas may exist. The gaseous state is the most diffuse state in which the molecules have an almost unrestricted motion and the volume increases without limit as the pressure is reduced. The critical point is the highest temperature at which liquid can exist. Any compression at constant temperature above the critical point will not produce a phase change. That's all in this video. Please check your subscriptions so that you don't miss next video from this channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.